It's a beautiful day here today. We had frost this morning, so it was quite chilly. But it's just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, looks like we had a big branch fall over here. Oh boy. So this time of year kind of nerve-wracking because there's a lot of hunters out, and just make me nervous because they're out there shooting. He said that that branch is not in jeopardy of falling imminently. He says it's still pretty stuck on, but looks like it's breaking at the top. I don't know. He did take a look. It could also be leaves that are stuck over there, and maybe it is. I'm just going to avoid that area. What I'm concerned about is if it falls, that if it comes towards the cottage, it's going to get the kitchen window. So I really don't need any more surprises, actually. Yeah, see, that makes me nervous because even though, like, that's a hairpin kind of break, and it's got all of this weight of the tree on there. So I'm gonna have to go with what he says. So he said he really can't tell what the tree is like at this point, but that it would be something to look at once they're up there, because it does have chagas on it, and that may impact the overall integrity of the tree. I do notice that when it's raining quite a bit, that I get water running off. Like, there's a little branch over there, I get water running off that, and it's coming from inside the tree. So there's stuff up there that may not be healthy. So he's going to assess the health of the tree, and it may have to come down. You know, and I said to him, you know, I'm not too worried about it because it does lean away from the cottage. So if we did have a storm, it wouldn't come on the cottage, and if it fell, it wouldn't come on the cottage. And he said, not necessarily. It depends which way the wind is blowing. Over here, there was quite a tree. This is probably about 2.5 inches diameter. So and it's quite fresh. So someone had a little feast here last night or this morning, and I don't see any signs of the tree at all. So they obviously took it. I'm going to check the water to see whether it's there. So although I haven't been seeing beavers on a regular basis, because they would come, like last year and the year before, early in the morning around 7ish or so, and then again at dawn, they would just come down from their beaver lodge over there, and they would come down and go into the lake, go fishing, and then head back home. And I haven't really, like this year, I only saw a few, as I mentioned before. Oh, there it is. There's part. Oh my goodness. Right there. And look at all the twigs over here. So they come and they eat the bark. So they skin it. I don't know what to do. We've put collars on some of these, and I don't know the ones that they really like. I know maples they do. But I've got so many all over the property, and I don't mind too much further in, but it looks like they're just targeting the trees and the young saplings that are close to the water. But I don't see any, I don't know what beaver tracks would look like. Maybe that's something that would be indicative. Oh, I see this here. I don't know if that's the only one. No, there's more. See it there. There, but I don't know, that might be that little vole or mole or whatever it is that burrows into the property. Could be. Got that. And then of course we also built a ramp here to invite them onto the property. Come in, Mr. Beaver, go help yourself to all of the little saplings that we have. So, but I don't see any tracks here, so I don't know how they're coming in. And they may not even be using this access at all. They may be coming in through the lake over there. And it looks like something was dragged through here. Oh, probably the tree, the branch. Oh my goodness. And they knocked down one of my lights. Okay, so let me see if they left it. No, so they dragged it that way. And I think they took it down this way. Goodness gracious. I don't see. Oh, here is a big paw print. There we go. I just see that that definitely was the beavers. So where does this lantern go? Right here. So we'll just put that back. Anything else that they can get. We've got colors on those because I want those to stay here. That one there was not, so they got this one too, but this is not a maple. I don't know what it is, and they got it. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research to see what it is that they do like, if it's all young saplings or whether it's just selective few. No. Oh my goodness, they didn't. Oh, they got this one too. Oh. Yeah, right there. But this wasn't this week. No. So if they got that one, they're probably going to come after that one. But this is a different one. I wanted to keep the stuff around here. But you know what? It is what it is. They need to get their little... They went shopping. They went shopping for their little tasty treats. So, yeah, I'll just end up putting something here, a type of perennial that I don't have to maintain. So on the lake, as I was saying, there were about 9 ducks out this morning, just going back and forth. And then just before Jeremy came, There were just a flurry of beavers out on the lake, so I'm glad to see that they're still out there. And there's another one. Where is it? There's two actually. Nope, three. You can't really see. Nope. Yeah, I can't maneuver that. Yeah, but they just went under. So they're clearly fishing.
Take away my strength. Love standing holding hand, right here by my side. So if you wanna take a ride and see what happens down the road, find yourself a pair of gloves and get yourself a warm-up coat. We'll be doing fine. Just losing track of time. Just losing track of time. Sometimes love is a river running strong, moving like a wave through a rocky riverbed. Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong, with no sense of consequence, the strength to carry on. The day breaks in the darkest places, right before the dawn. So if you ever lie awake with situations in your mind, and you try to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by, you're losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love is a reason to hold on, blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues take away my strength. Find yourself a pair of gloves and get yourself a warm-up coat. Oh, yes, we'll be doing fine. Just losing track of time. Just losing track of time. Sometimes love is a river unstrung, moving like a wave through a rocky riverbed. Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try